Hey everybody, so I got a new dash cam, but this is the 4K Ultra HD one, and this is the A810 model. And for those that just want to see the box, there you go. Now in the box you do get your camera, you get a 2-port 12-volt adapter, you do have a pry tool for your liners, and then of course you do got a Type-C cord to power it. Anyway, I'll go ahead and hook this up, we'll do some driving around, and then I'll talk about it, I'll show you some footage, and I'll show you a little bit of the dash cam itself. All right, so I do have it all set up on the dash. It goes on really easy. Only one wire for this one since it doesn't have the rear camera. All right, so I do have the app all opened up here, and the app is pretty easy to use. You could get a live view on here. You could download all the files from here. You could also take the card and just connect it to your computer, which is something I normally do. Just disconnect it on here, but you can reconnect here. So we are connected. Let me go ahead and go into the settings and show you a little bit of the settings. So video format, you got high compression. You can also do low compression. So if you have an issue with older devices not being compatible with the video files, you can do a low compression with that. Most of all the newer phones, for the most part, they handle high compression. Most computers and everything does these days too. You do have the option to do 4K, or you can do 1080p. Also, this model did not have the rear camera, but they do have some with the rear camera. You could do video clip durations. I usually just leave it at 1 minute. You could turn on HDR watermarks for your speed, your coordinates. I did turn off the coordinates, at least for the preview or the settings here. I did have the coordinates when I was driving around though. You could also change from kilometers per hour to miles per hour. In the video samples, they're all kilometers per hour since I didn't change that. There is security parking, so like collision detection, motion detection, and stuff like that, but you do have to have it hardwired for those to work. But it's super easy to go in and connect to it, get in there, and you can go into the album, and you'll be able to see all the videos and pictures and everything that you have done. Now, it will stop recording in order to access, but like right now I have over 200 videos in here. I just went for a couple hours of driving and got some footage and stuff. I'll also go for a little bit of a drive and get some night footage as well. I drove on the beach, get a little bit of some nature scenes. Now, I love nature and I like to record a lot of my drives, so I took it to the beach and I got a little bit of footage there on the beach. And then after that, we went on a little bit of a drive up into the forest and through the trees. Really pretty up in there. I did drive around town a little bit to capture some stuff there, some cars and everything. I did for a quick sample of some night footage. Overall though, really nice dash cam. I think it works great. Has really nice image quality, easy to use, very easy app, and the app works pretty well. I'm able to download everything. I'm able to view it without any crashes or any issues like I've had in the past with some. Anyway, if you are looking for a pretty decent dash cam, hopefully this gives you a good idea what to expect with it. If it's something that you would like to have for your vehicle. Anyway, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.